Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. In one of my classes today, we ended up looking at the way in which language and ideas connected to conflict resolution can also often be connected to relationships. There's a lot of violence often in the way we talk about relationships, particularly when relationships are in trouble. So you can talk about a relationship being dead in the water. You might say, for example, that couples exist in a state of sort of frozen war for years. And when I put my students into breakout rooms to discuss all of this, I said to them beforehand, I hope this doesn't dredge up too many bad memories for you. If you dredge up the past, you basically bring back stuff from the past that you'd much rather not think of or that you'd rather keep hidden. I guess it comes from the idea of dredging rivers or dredging lakes. You have these big boats called dredgers that basically dredge the rivers or the lakes by removing all of the dirt and the sand from the bottom, often to make them wider or to make them deeper. So in the same way, you dredge up the past. It's often something that the media does. So maybe if you get famous and you decide to run for office, you decide to try and become a politician or to try and become a leader of a political party, the media might dredge up details of all of your past affairs or dredge up details of past wrongdoing. Maybe if someone's going to write a kind of scandalous story about you, an article maybe, they might dredge up details of your unhappy childhood. And maybe you've had that experience when you're on holiday and you're desperately trying to remember some foreign language that you learned at school 30 or 40 years ago. I had this problem when I went to Morocco the first time, and I was standing there desperately trying to dredge up a little bit of the French that I'd learned at school 30 years before. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students and your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use dredge up